So here we are, got myself a little fancy little coffee machine here. It's the Merol ME-712 model. And I'm going to take you through, see what she can do. And first of all, you can see here we've got a little touch screen. So touch on that. Coloured touch screen. And it's got all our options there. So what I'm going to do is grab my little cup here. It's been heating on the heat pad. Chuck it down here. There we go. Now have a look up here. So see what we can see in there. There you go, got some little beans in there, little Arabica beans or whatever they're called, in there ready to go. Just pop the lid down there. Now what I want to do here, I want 1 cup from the grinds. You can see here we can also do a pre-ground, but we don't. A bit fancier than that. There we go. Away she goes. We can change those details there. Not wanna. Don't need to. So you can see it's going to be 85 degrees Celsius. Strength of 4, goes up to 5, and 60 mil. Now let's have a look down here. Here we go. There it comes. Beauty. Okay, so here we go now, we're ready to froth the milk. And look at this, we just dropped the little hose down into there, we've got our frother. So I'll grab my cup from up here, plonk it down here. There we go, under the spout there. There we go. Now all we do is go back out to our touch screen. We want to froth the milk. So it'll heat up. Let's have a look at this little baby. Make sure the hose is in there. There we go. Check this out. There we go, look at that. Whoa. Just sucking the milk out of the metal cup there, straight into my cup. Now we can stop this if it looks like it's going to overflow. It is going to overflow, so we're going to stop it. There we go. Look at that. Get ourselves a little bloody fancy pants cappuccino. We're a ripper. Just for the fancy finishing touch, because it won't do this for me. Let's drop some little chalky bits on it. Whoa, just a little bit too much there, but hey, we like our chalky. There we go, there's our fancy little cappuccino.